Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can restore the deleted file on the iPhone 11 in the Files app. Now you can see I've just deleted a file. Now first let's go back to your home screen and launch the Files app. And on your phone here you want to go back to the browse screen, and down here under the locations section tap on recently deleted and go into this files folder here and search for the files that you have deleted. So here's the file, so tap and hold into that file and then tap on recover. Now another way you can do it is tap on the select button at the top and choose the file, then at the bottom tap on recover. So there are two ways of doing that. And now if I go back to the browse screen, if I go back into on my iPhone, tap on the test2 folder here, so the file now has been restored. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.